After opening Adobe Illustrator, the first thing to do is open a new project. To open it, first click on Create New, then see what size we want to choose, for which we need to come to this table. In this table, first is Preset. Here we will write the project name, as I write my first project. After that is the width, in which you can select as much as you want. Then the height, in which you can also select as much as you want. Here you can also select whether the length and width you have chosen will be in inches, pixels, picas, or feet. The best option is inches. I myself also select inches. By using orientation, you can switch the length and width with each other. And from ARTBOERD, you can select the ARTBOERD number, such as 1 if you want, or 2, or 3. Leave top and bottom in their place, and then come to Color Mode, where there are two types of colors. One is RGB and one is CMYK. CMYK, cyan, magenta, yellow, black, is used for printing materials, while RGB, red, green, blue, is primarily used for digital screens and displays, such as computers and smartphones. Similarly, in raster effect, you need to select the maximum. It has high, medium, and screen options. You can use screen only for the screen, and otherwise, select high. In preview mode, let the default remain selected. When viewing more settings, the same options are available. After that, click on Create option. I will also show you a tool, the ARTBOERD tool, whose shortcut key is Shift+O. Select it, click on any ARTBOERD you want to delete, and delete it using the Delete button.